Hi, my name is Julie Dykema, professional organizer and owner of the To Done List. I am standing in the Eggersmann kitchen showroom in the downtown design district of Dallas. So as a professional organizer, I get the opportunity to unpack and set up people's kitchens all the time. And what I'm finding unanimously is everyone owns a KitchenAid mixer and no one uses it often. So it's my job to figure out where are we gonna store this big, bulky, heavy piece of kitchen equipment. So we don't like putting it on a counter. It collects dust. It is not a decoration. And you really can't put it up high in a pantry or above cabinet because it is so heavy to get down off of a stepladder. So resorts to putting it in a lower cabinet, and I wanna show you what Eggersmann has done to solve the problem that we all have. And problem solved. Hi, my name is Julie Dykema, professional organizer and owner of the To Done List. The moment I tell you that I'm a professional organizer, your mind probably goes to color coordinated closet, a rainbow of snacks in a pantry, maybe beautifully folded sweaters. But let me tell you what my job really is. It's damage control. I'm not talking about damage control over clutter, which is true, we do that. I'm talking about damage control over your house, the built-ins your builder gave you. Maybe you didn't get an opportunity to build your house. You didn't get to tell the carpenter what your needs and wants are. Maybe you did get to build your house and you're now combining two households into one. Whatever the story is, we've probably seen it. And so as a professional organizer, we get called and we do our thing. We measure your cabinets, your drawers, your shelves. We go to the store, find solutions and products that fit best in that space, and we organize. And we're really, really good at it. But to be honest with you, it's not a custom solution, it's a custom curated solution of product. If you are looking to bring your home to the next level and have it customized for your lifestyle, you need to check out Eggersmann. Here's a few things that I love about it. Hi, my name is Julie Dykema, professional organizer and owner of the To Done List. We are filming this video at the end of July, which means school is right around the corner. If you have kids, you know that means the mad dash in the mornings to get out the door with all the things. If you don't have kids, we all know it means more traffic. So I'm here today in the Eggersmann showroom in the design district of Dallas to talk to you about how you can streamline your mornings. That is, set up a smoothie zone. So let me tell you why your setup probably doesn't work. Because we cannot manufacture time, we have to cut out things that waste time. If you are gathering ingredients from multiple places in your kitchen, whether that's a drawer, maybe all the ingredients are in the pantry, but it's on multiple levels of shelves, that's wasting time. It is also a waste of time to gather the tools you need. If your blender is in one spot, your measuring spoon is in another, your measuring cup is in another, those are extra steps you don't need to take. It's great for cardio, but that's not what we're doing here today. Another waste of time is dealing with retail packaging. Opening up a box, unrolling a bag, clipping the bag. Heaven forbid you just bought something and now you're having to pull out scissors to open up a brand new bag. All of those seconds add up and it's wasting your time. All right, so here's what you need to get started. You need food storage containers. It can be plastic, glass, round, square, it doesn't really matter, but it's gonna be for the dry ingredients for your smoothie. I am not a chef. I'm not here to tell you like what's the best smoothie combination, but I got the staples. Oatmeal, flax seeds, chia seeds, beet pollen. Whatever your heart desires, get them. And then you're gonna need your fresh produce. Sometimes people like to use frozen produce in smoothies. For our purposes, we're gonna get fresh so that then we can make our own individual packs. And then you're gonna need some bags. And don't forget your measuring spoons. You're gonna wash your fresh produce. You're going to put your fresh produce divided out in individual bags so that in the morning, you're gonna grab one bag out of the freezer to pour into your blender. We're going to dump all of the dry ingredients into our food storage containers so that in the morning, again, you're not fighting the retail packaging, you're just popping off the lid. Locate the spot that you're gonna plug in your blender and find a shelf or a cabinet or a drawer that you can store your smoothie dry ingredients in. That way, when you're making the smoothie, everything is in close proximity to each other. Also, do not forget to put your measuring spoons in with the dry ingredients. We're just trying to set you up for success in the morning hustle. And that is it. Hope we were able to give you back some of your time and sanity in the mornings. Thank you, Eggersmann, for letting us use your beautiful showroom.